You can fire your weapons with the left mouse key. Clicking X will toggle how your cannons are linked. For example, with the X-Wing, you can toggle your cannons to shoot 2 at a time, 4 at a time, or individually. By clicking Q, you can switch your current weapon choice. In the future, you will be able to choose and alter the loadout of the ordnance your starfighter is carrying. For now, this X-Wing is equipped with 3 concussion missiles and 3 proton torpedoes. Concussion missiles are faster and track targets better than proton torpedoes, but deal less damage, so they're more suited against starfighters, whereas torpedoes are better suited against capital ships and hard targets or objectives. Similar to your lasers, you can click X to choose whether you want to shoot 2 or 1 torpedo at a time.